So hello and welcome everyone. An important circular has come from institute side that the exemptions which were granted, they are withdrawn. So it is clearly written that earlier via notification this dated 16 September we were granted exemption from computer training, soft skill and also IOTP which is applicable for finals. So now these exemptions have been withdrawn completely. So now we can see existing 100-hour computer training exemption and 3 days communication soft skill training exemption have been withdrawn for CMA intermediate student. So now there is no exemption from this 100 hours computer training and 3 days soft skill program. So now the old students who are not eligible for SAP training have to do this training if they wish to appear for the upcoming examination. I have also made a chart which will clear for inter students you have to do computer training and soft skill, right? If you are old student, if you have already done, please ignore this video. If you are admission is before 10th of August, so as of now you have to do old computer training and soft skill, right? So you please contact your chapter office because exemption which was given has been withdrawn. You have to do as of now old computer training and soft skill. Okay. If you have taken admission on or after 11th August, then it is very clear. I have already made a video that you have to do the new skill training, that is SAP, Microsoft, e-filing and Cambridge, right? So if you have taken admission on or after 11th August, then I have already made a video which is very clear. You have to do this. So you ignore my video. But if you are old student and you have not done computer training and soft skill, so please do it. Contact your chapter office because there is no exemption has been withdrawn. Now as far as WRC is concerned, they are sending messages to the student that online 100 hours training is applicable who have registered before 10th of August. What I told, same to same, that before 10th of August if you have registered, then old training is applicable. So please do, and they are starting from 1st February and they will end till 5th of March, Monday to Saturday. So respective chapter offices you can contact. This is of Western region, you can contact for EIRC, NIRC or your chapter office and you can ask for the computer training schedule because there is no exemption. For final also I think IOTP is compulsory. In the notification here they didn't mention that the IOTP exemption is also withdrawn, but IOTP also final students have to do 7 days. So it's better if you contact your chapter office and ask the schedule. So this is it from my side. Please do computer training if you have taken admission before 10th of August and you have not done till date computer training. If you have already done, then please ignore, don't worry. If you have not done and if you have taken admission before 10th of August, then you are eligible to do the old training. So please do. WRC is conducting on from 1st February. So this is it. Thank you so much. All the best.